machine.
Yeah. He's a love machine.
Yeah. What up, Doug?
And then, oh, I can't lift it up. Notice the shoes once again. Oh! Why is it so hard to move up and down? Look, it won't move. Oh, I tightened it.
I never told you that. I don't think I ever will.
Goes for the pin already. 1, 2.
Somebody get a ref. Ref. Yeah, that's right, Higgins.
Mine goes on.
You do what I say because I own you, Higgins. I own you.
Slowly taking down.
Oh! A huge double X.
To the titty witty.
Oh, yeah. To the titty witty. Alright. That's a new one. Oh! I'm sorry, Nick, but that was horrible.
Nick?
The fans don't know. No, never. Oh! Oh, he took him over. Oh, and a bulldog. No. Nice try. Yeah, like, oh, geez. Oh, he's gonna take my move, but that's alright because he's just a little kid. He doesn't know better.
Got up.
He's ruined it. Don't hate when people do that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Remember
Could give him a drop toe.
Yeah.
So we're over that. There's something big going on.
That's alright.
Something real
I'm
big.
not worried about that.
You can't fix that yet.
And then make or break the company.
Oh!
Nice drop kick. Oh. Oh, he kind of slipped there.
I think that was intentional. Slap. Oh! Woo!
7.
That's
3 in a row. 3 in a friggin' row. Suplex coming up.
For the ball.
Heavy. Oh!
Couldn't come up.
Oh! Oh! You need to start working out. But, yeah, you don't have to ask. Oh, that was clothesline. I thought it was a spear.
Yeah,
But,
so did I.
yeah, it was clothesline.
It was power. He couldn't even
Oh, he's gonna do it
try
again.
it again. It's up again.
And it gets up again.
Diablo was invincible. You think he was good?
Oh! Oh, that was uncalled for.
Get that kid if you kick all your ass.
Give him some more. Give him some more food. He'll be kicking all of our asses.
Oh, good product.
Oh!
Got him with.
That was nice. For a little kid, you know.
Tried for foot. Didn't think you did it.
It's over. You're a winner. Right there, the nicWo television champion, and still
Another
television
ministry
champion.
winner.
Ministry with another victory racking up. For Diablo.
But soon there's gonna be a faction even better.
Oh, he knocked out Higgins. He knocked out Higgins. Get him. Oh, the show position. It's gonna go silent. Trailer. Oh, look at that. Oh. I just caught up with a member of the ministry here in Mania. Oh wait, here comes ministry. Oh, they're getting him. Looks like he's... Oh, tombstone out on the ground. Oh. Oh. And I think they're gonna pay. Looks like they mean business. Ministry members are gonna pay when they lose, it looks like. Huh?
Sponsors.
Going down there.
Is it baby?